5 important facts and figures for young drivers to master. The ability to drive is still very much a rite of passage, even though Gen Zers take longer to obtain their license than previous generations of teenagers. In the United States now, 61% of 18-year-olds have a driver's license. When kids have their first taste of freedom on the open road, their parents continue to worry about them. It can be unnerving to watch your adolescent drive off on their own for the first time. They're prepared. Are they fully knowledgeable? Although it's difficult to guarantee they'll know everything, you can start by ensuring kids are aware of these crucial driving facts so they can make wise choices. 1. 7 teens die in car crashes every day. Teens are significantly more likely than adults to be involved in car accidents, despite the fact that you probably don't want to scare your kid away from learning to drive. The CDC reports that about 2,400 teenagers died and hundreds of thousands were wounded in auto accidents in 2019. A risky combination is when inexperience, distractibility, and a propensity for speed are present. The verdict: to keep your kids safe behind the wheel, make sure to establish ground rules around curfews, buddies in the car, and cell phone use. 2. 20% of teens get into an accident their first year driving. Not all accidents result in death. Fender benders do occur, and young drivers are more likely to experience them. In the first year of driving, 1 in 5 16-year-olds have an accident, according to DoSomething.org. Even a minor accident, such as a dent, might be upsetting. The bottom line: ensure that your kid is fully aware of what to do in the event of a car accident. They must relocate to the side of the road, phone 911, and exchange insurance information with the other driver in addition to looking for injuries. A checklist and the insurance information should be kept in the glove box. 3. Driver's Ed gets you a 10% insurance discount. Speaking of insurance, young customers pay some of the highest premiums available. Thankfully, taking a driver's education course can save new drivers up to 10% on their auto insurance. 4. Driving over 50 miles per hour is expensive. Your kid won't take long to discover how pricey it might be to fill a gas tank due to the rising cost of gas. Above 50 miles per hour is expensive to drive. For every 5 miles per hour over that, your gasoline expenses will increase by 30 cents per gallon. The greatest approach to save is to keep speeds low. The bottom line: if your teenager is a speed demon, the economic case can encourage them to reduce their speed and stay safe. 5. You have 2 gallons of fuel when the light comes on. Do you have any idea how far you can go when the fuel light turns on? 2 to 3 gallons are still in the tank of the typical automobile at that point. Using that knowledge, you can determine how far you can travel given the fuel efficiency of your vehicle. They have that much time to travel to the closest gas station. The bottom line: instruct your youngster to pay attention to the dashboard and make plans. Make sure kids are aware of what to do if they do run out of gas.